Hello my dear students, in this video now we are going to study about the Woods reaction. Woods reaction is a very simple reaction and it is used to prepare the alkenes. In a Woods reaction we make use of the alkyl halides. And we react these alkyl halides with sodium in the presence of the dry ether. So dry ether. As a result, what happens means we get the RR type alkanes. And here we have to put 2. So 2NaX goes outside. So this reaction is known as the Woods reaction. Alkyl halides react with the sodium in the presence of dry ether and give alkanes. This reaction is known as the Woods reaction. We can easily remember this reaction with a shortcut like this. We write AHA for alkyl halides and Na for sodium, and it gives the alkanes. So we can call it as the Ahana alkane, like Ahana Pellanta. Ahana alkane. Okay. For example, now we take the examples. If you take the methyl iodide and react with sodium in the presence of dry ether, then sodium iodide goes outside and as a result we get the ethane, C2H6. So it is RR type alkane. That means two methyl group combine and form and give alkanes. So this is ethane. And here it is the methyl iodide. If we take the mixture of the two different alkanes, then we get the three products. For example, we can name it as example 1 and now we go for the example 2. For example, if we take the methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. Now we are taking the mixture of methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. Sodium and dry ether. Whenever we see the combination like this, we have to understand that this is the Woods reaction. Okay, sodium and dry ether. So this is methyl iodide and this is ethyl iodide. So here we get the mixture of the three alkanes, that is the ethane, and next one is the butane, C4H10. Next one is the propane, C3H8. So like that we get the three alkanes. We get the ethane when two methyl iodide combine with each other, and we get the butane when two ethyl groups combine with each other, and we get the propane when methyl and ethyl combine with each other. So look here. So by this we get ethane, C2H6, and when methyl iodide combines with the ethyl iodide like this, we get the propane, C3H8, and when two ethyl iodide molecules combine with one another, then we get the butane. So C4H10. So like that, the number of alkanes obtained in this Woods reaction depends on the alkyl halides that we take. If we take 2, we get the 3 alkanes. Now we go for the mechanism of the Woods reaction. First of all, what happens means sodium metal loses the electrons like this. Okay, na? Then after the alkyl halides react with the accept these electrons. As a result, what happens means we get the alkyl cation and the X minus, and this alkyl cation reacts with one more electron and we get the alkyl free radical. Okay, so otherwise we can write 2 electrons here also. So now we get the alkyl free radical. These alkyl free radicals combine with each other and give us alkanes. So this is simple mechanism for this one. Okay, this is one mechanism, and one more mechanism is there. In that mechanism, halides are obtained. Alkyl carbon ions are obtained, but that is not so important. So we bind to this only. Okay, thank you for watching.